Hey there, creators! It's Dante from Dante Solutions, and I'm thrilled to have you back. Ever wondered how to craft those eye-catching YouTube pop-up notifications? And guess what? It won't cost you a dime. By the end of this video, you'll not only have the skills to create your very own YouTube pop-up template, but I'll also show you how to turn those skills into extra income by selling your creations on platforms like Evanto Elements. The best part? We're doing all of this using the free version of CapCut. Whether you're on a Mac, Android, or PC, this tutorial has got you covered. So, if you haven't already, make sure to download CapCut, and let's dive into the creative process together. Let's get started. First things first, head to the link in the description and download the 2 folders provided. These folders house the images and sounds essential for our project. Remember to personalize the logo with your own. Now, let's dive into CapCut. Begin by dragging the elements into the timeline, starting with the white background. Next up, add your brand or channel logo. Utilize the text button to incorporate your channel name. Adjust and resize all elements to seamlessly fit the white background. Moving on, resize the blue like button to kick in at the 2-second mark. Followed by the gray subscribe button at the 3-second mark. Ensure all elements harmoniously fit the size of your clip. Continue by resizing the notification sound image to initiate at the 5-second mark. Time to add the sounds at the 2, 3, and 5-second marks. Review your progress by playing the animation. Select all the elements above your clip, right-click, and create a compound clip. This step enhances organization. Remember not to include the clip or audio in your selection, only the elements above your clip. Adjust the compound clip to your desired starting point, making sure to modify the audio accordingly. To expedite this process, hold down the Command key or Control key on PC to select the compound clip and audio together. Right-click and group them to facilitate moving these elements collectively. Resize the compound clip by dragging the corners or using the scale slider on the top right window. Now, let's add some flair. Click on the Animate tab, select In, and choose an animation that resonates with you. Repeat this step for the out animation. Congratulations on mastering the art of animating your pop-up, but we're not done yet. Let's move on to animating individual elements. Right-click on the compound clip and uncompound it to reveal the individual elements. Let's add the finishing touches to your custom pop-up. Begin by selecting the notification bell sound waves and apply the in animation from the top right window. Now, resize the gray like and red subscribe buttons to conclude at the 2 and 3 second marks, respectively. Apply the in animation to the blue like and gray subscribe buttons. Next, introduce the pointer from your PNG file by dragging it to the top of the timeline. Resize it and set the slider to the start of the video. Drag the pointer off the screen view and add a keyframe by clicking on the diamond shape next to the position and size slider on the top right window. Move the slider to the 2 second mark, drag the pointer to the like button on screen, and add another keyframe. Repeat this process at the 3 second mark for the subscribe button and the 5 second mark for the notification bell. Advance the slider 2 to 3 seconds ahead, adjusting the pointer's size on the timeline if necessary. Drag the pointer off the screen and add another keyframe. Replay your animation to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Now select all your assets above the clip and compound them as we did earlier. Resize the compounded clip and add animations, as learned earlier in the video. Lastly, enhance the auditory experience by incorporating the pop-in and pop-out sounds from the sounds folder at the in and out animation intervals. Congratulations! You've successfully crafted a custom pop-up ready for your videos or even for sale online. Thanks for tuning in.